Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious coffee kulfi. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and 1/4 cup of whole milk. Having these ready ensures a smooth process. Also, prepare your kulfi molds and a freezer-safe tray. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly delightful frozen treat, perfect for any occasion. Now, let's create the rich kulfi base. In a large bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream with 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Whisk these together until just combined. In a separate small bowl, dissolve 2 tablespoons of instant coffee in 1/4 cup of warm milk, stirring until smooth. Then, gently fold this coffee mixture into your cream and condensed milk base. This careful blending ensures a consistent and delightful coffee flavor throughout your kulfi. With your kulfi base ready, it's time for the freezing process. Carefully pour the mixture into your kulfi molds, filling them almost to the top. Place the filled molds into a freezer-safe tray to keep them upright. After about 1 hour in the freezer, insert kulfi sticks into the partially set mixture. Then, return them to the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours, or even better, overnight. Patience here ensures a perfectly firm and creamy kulfi. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, serving your homemade coffee kulfi. To easily unmold them, briefly dip each kulfi mold in warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. This slight warmth helps release the frozen treat. Then, gently pull the kulfi out by the stick, or invert the mold onto a small plate. Serve these delightful, creamy coffee kulfis immediately to enjoy their rich flavor and refreshing coolness. They are truly a perfect dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.